Hi, so this morning we met Jessie and now we're meeting Winston. Winston is my little old man. He's quite chatty sometimes. I don't know how chatty he's going to be now. So we're going to feed him. Hey! Hello, Winston. Okay, so let's give him some food. One of the good things about Winston, one of the many good things about Winston, is he's a little bit, say, one sandwich short of a picnic, which means when I have to give him tablets, which I have to do, he doesn't mind them at all. So let me just get his tablets. Let's put that there. Oh, I appreciate your brown hearts. So as you can see, he has to have these tablets. He's got bad kidneys because he's an old cat, and most old cats do. But he doesn't mind a tablet at all. Except tonight, when he's being broadcasted, he's going to decide he does mind it. Let's see. Hey, Winston, Winston. Oh. I think at the moment his food is taking priority over his tablet. Jessie's watching on. Jessie! Hello? Hello, Jessie. Jessie's on a strict diet because she's a little wide of girth, so she doesn't get to eat, whereas Winston has to eat as much as he possibly can. So he gets to eat often. But she would eat his food if she could, so which is why he's up high, so that she can't. Let's cover his food and see if he'll have his tablet. I was hoping he'd have a bit of a chat to you, because he's quite a chatty little boy. Apparently boy cats are a little bit more chatty than girls. Not that he's demonstrating it now. I'd just like to say, I don't live in a prison. With that white wall behind him, he really looks like I just live in a prison or a hospital. Neither is true. Winston, have your tablet. Winston, come on. Winston, here. There we go. Hurrah! Yay, Jamie! He's had his tablet. Oh dear. I'm sure if I wander off, I'm going to end up getting shouted at by him. Let's see if I walk away. Should we have a little look at Jessie whilst we're here? Say hello, Jessie. Yeah. Yeah? I've just got back from a run, so Jessie often likes licking my legs, which is a bit odd, but I think it's the salt. Oh, don't, Jessie. Well, I was hoping he was going to chat to us, everybody, but I don't think he is now, which is a shame. You might notice that he's only got about 4 teeth. This is just, again, because he's an old cat. He's had various tooth diseases and stuff, so he's had them all removed. Oh. He's chomping well tonight. Wow. Hazel sounds lovely. Maybe you should broadcast Hazel. Is it half down the centre of the face or across, like, across the nose, kind of horizontal or vertical? I call Winston my little old man because he's quite frail and quite doddery and very thin and wow, vertical down the centre. A bit like Two-Face in Batman. Or Venus the Cat, yeah, good point, well presented. So nothing for us, Winston? Right, well, I think he's not going to chat to us now. So if you want to be alerted when Winston's next chatting, please do follow me. And my next broadcast, I think, will be when he's chatting at me, probably when I'm trying to cook my dinner in a few minutes. So you can say goodbye, Winston. Go say goodbye. Good boy. Oh, we'll have a little purr, even if we won't have an... Okay, bye all.